Meal prep time. Time to get the frittata on the job. Fry up the vegetables. Beat the shit out of 12 eggs. You don't have to do this, but I put a layer of spud in the bottom of the Pyrex tray. Then the veggies all on top. Ideally, you'd have a jug for the eggs, but I don't. And so lash the eggs across it. Hopefully I have enough. Beautiful. And I've added a wee bit of cheese as well. Now you just pop it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Now, how good does that look? Unreal. So I've made 6 portions and it's 345 calories per portion and a whopping 25 grams of protein. Pretty decent.